A very warm welcome to CAD platform. In this video, we will explore the AutoCAD user interface. A user interface is where you are availed with the operational tools that enable the user to interact with the AutoCAD application or any other computer program. If installed, double-click the desktop application shortcut to open, and here for us we have already installed, and we shall click on it to open. Give it a few minutes for the program to load. As you can see, for us we installed the AutoCAD 2021. Of course, there are so many other versions that are out that you can install. The latest one being 2025. You can always check out on the Autodesk website. Wow, great that we are here. Before the user interface, let's start with a few features we see here on the start menu. These are start drawing, giving you access to the drawing space for a new drawing. Also click on the drop down arrow for more preset AutoCAD user templates. We do have many of them listed here. You can go further to create your own by clicking on create new sheet settings, and you will be good to go. Here we do have the recent documents showing all the most recent listing of your previous works. We do have a few works that we have been working on, and they are all listed here. On the extreme right is the notification or connect, where you sign into your account to have online services. You can always put there your drawings, people to view online. Also, you can give feedback to the Autodesk. That's the start menu, and let's dive into the user interface. Click on the start drawing to open to the AutoCAD interface. At the top of the user interface is the quick access toolbar comprising of the application icon. We do have here the application icon, the new to start a new drawing or a blank drawing, open to open an already saved file. We do have save to quickly save drawing changes in current time that you're drawing in, save as to save the drawings in a file name, plot. We do have plot here to print your drawing work. Also, we do have the undo that you can always click to undo your command or the recent input of your command. We have the redo. On top here we do have the Autodesk file name, because see that we have just opened, we can't have it named, but you can see, you'll always see your file name that you're working on displayed above here. Below the quick access toolbar is the palette group tool ribbon. We do have the ribbon of home, insert, annotate, parametric view, manage, and so forth, as you can see them above here. Down to it is the touch panel with the command icons. We do have command icons here in the tabs. This command icon enables you to quickly enter command by simply clicking on them. So if you click on these command icons, you will have started inserting a command into this computer program or AutoCAD. Below the tabs panel are the view control. We have here the top. You can click on it to always see the top, bottom, left. Also, we have the view. We have the view styles. This view control enables AutoCAD users to access view and customize views at different angles or move around objects both in 2D and 3D. The view style here enables you to view objects in different aspects like wireframe, shaded, conceptual, hidden, realistic, and so many as you can see them listed here. Before this view control, we do also have this start, the drawing. This will always show you the drawing you're working on, or the list of drawings you have opened. They'll always be listed here. You can click on this plus to add on. Of course, we are here. Let's skip on drawing one, or you can go back by clicking on start and you'll be taken back to the start menu. Further still, to easily navigate through your drawing, you can use the view cube here. It's located here. You can always view object or your work in different angles still using the view cube. Yeah, you can view it from the north, you can view it from the eastern side, south and west also, or you can incorporate it with the navigation